Good morning. I am Coimbatore Tirumular Sitarpidam Sivayogi Sivarajan speaking. Now I am speaking about acupuncture secrets. The acupuncture, acupressure, etc. are based on 5 elements principles. In Varma, the 5 element principles were explained by Siddhas more than 20,000 years back. That classification is very scientific and it will be useful for acupuncture healers. In acupuncture also 5 elements are explained, but the explanation given by 18 Siddhas in Varma books are very excellent. I am telling about them for the use of acupuncture and acupressure and other energy treatment persons. The 5 elements enter into the cosmic energy and come out of it. Actually, only one and the same energy in the world. When it is at rest, it is called Shivam, or potential energy or static energy. And when it is in action, it is called Parasakti, dynamic energy or kinetic energy. This energy shrinks. When energy is cooled down, it assumes mass, air comes. Then when it is condensed, fire comes. And when it is condensed, liquid comes. And when it is condensed, solid comes. In the same way, if we heat them up, the solid enters into liquid, transformed into liquid, and the solid portion disappears. Solid layer of that energy disappears and enters into liquid. And when you heat it further, it also disappears and enters into Vayus, absorbing fire, Agni. So this is Panchabhuta rotation. Only one and the same energy. It is when the air, fire, water comes out of it, it is called creation. When it enters back into the energy, then it is called dissolution. The word destruction is not there, only dissolution. Ancient scientist says energy can neither be created nor be destroyed, but can be changed from one form to another. That is what happens when you heat solid, it enters in transformed to liquid. When it is further heated, it enters into gases. When it is further heated, what happens is a very important thing. When you heat it up for further, when the heat goes above lakhs degrees centigrade, even atom was dissolved into energy and it merges with the Agas. Agas is mentioned as the infinite body of Shiva, and this final energy Parasakti enters and merges with Shiva. This is the final one, always permanent. The Panchabhutas go into that, come out of that, that's why it is called rotation. This rotation is happening outside in the cosmos, macrocosm it is called. The same thing happens in your body also, it is called microcosm. Then this study of this is very important for controlling Vata Pitta Kapha, controlling weight management, controlling all kinds of diseases. The 5 elements, if they are disturbed, the proportion is disturbed in one's body, then only diseases start. So this energy can be contained or balanced in the souls itself. What is the source of energy? It manifests in different organs. That is a second circuit. The first circuit is the souls itself. It is in Mooladhara. The earth energy is in Mooladhara. The water energy, 2-in-1 energy is in Swadhisthana. 3-in-1 energy is Manipura. 4-in-1 energy gas in Anahata. And this Agas is in the Visuddhi. When you go above that, Ajna and everything, there you can see the 5-in-1 energy, that is called astral current. This is the base. This flows through your body and the meridians are only the passage of this energy. So when the energy is blocked, we have to remove that. We have to make the energy flow further by using acupressure or acupuncture or Varma. Actually, Varma is the base. The acupressure and acupuncture are the later developments of this. In India, the research and development on Varma has started only now. For the past some 25-30 years, there was a gap. Before 50 years, I could see very excellent asanas or treatment persons in Kanyakumari district in Kerala. Now, most of them dead. Only the next generation is there. So the knowledge gap has come. So now the acupuncturist, acupressurists working in Tamil Nadu have a good opportunity to read the records of the 18 Siddhas and improve them and develop them accordingly. In the same way, the Panchabhuta chart given by the Varma literature, Siddhas explained in Varma, is very, very excellent. It gives the basic and correct knowledge of the Panchabhuta. The knowledge explained in the Panchabhuta chart in acupressure and acupuncture treatment is somewhat vague when compared with this one. So the persons dealing with the acupuncture and acupressure should have knowledge of this permutation and combination of Panchabhutas. These the Siddhas call it as Panchabhuta Panjikarna Pinnal, twisting. 5 into 5 twisting. What is this? This is also very useful for acupuncture and acupressurists. I am now reading it out. That is the element earth into earth combined forms bones. Earth into water forms this flesh. Earth into Agni forms skin. Earth into Vayu forms these nerves. And earth into Agasa, space called this hair. The same way water into man, this earth, water into earth. This creates this saliva. Water into water, urine. Water into Agni is sweating. Water into this gas, Vayu is blood. Water into Agasa is Sukla, summons. Then what happens is Agni. Agni into earth, this hunger. Agni into water, this thirsty. Agni into Agni, sleeping. Agni into Vayu, idleness. Agni into Agas, sex. Then Vayu into earth is lying. Vayu into water, walking. Vayu into Agni, running. Vayu and Vayu, climbing. Vayu and Agasa, jumping. The same way Agasa into earth, this lobam, miserliness. Agasa into water is hatred. Agasa into Agni is fear. Agasa into Vayu is this, what do you call this, shamefulness. And Agasa into Agasa is Moga. This is very, very precise, very clear. This is giving the basic knowledge, and the chart given in the acupuncture and acupressure things are not so clear as this. So they should read this also. Moreover, they are explaining further the climatic change. Also they are giving in detail in Siddha. They are explaining the 6 climatic changes. In acupuncture chart only 5. The same the taste they classify into 5. There are 6 tastes which are explained in the Varma literature. In the same way, the basic knowledge required for acupuncturists and acupressurists are available in the Varma records, which is accessible easily for Tamilians, because most of the things are available only in Tamil, not translated into other languages so far. And now I have translated this bogus Varma Sutra into Malayalam. So persons should come forward to translate these Tamil precious records into other languages, then only people will know. Now since these things are available in Tamil, the acupressurist or acupuncturist dealing with this cure should access to this knowledge, get benefit out of this knowledge, so that it will boost up their healing power and their knowledge, and these persons, patients will also be benefited. Those who want to get training from this. We can activate the Panchabhutas, we can balance the Panchabhutas, we can manage weight management, we can manage Kapha, Vata, Pitta through the chakra activation and mudras of the Panchabhutas. Controlling of this Panchabhuta in the souls itself is available in chakra activation yoga propounded by Tirumoolar and available in other records, Saranol records, which will be very useful for the acupuncture and acupressors. Those who want may contact me. I am directly conducting classes or online classes on WhatsApp video call is also available. Those who want contact me in visual number given along with this. Thank you.